हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम आपको प्रोवाइड करते हैं जूलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज़, वो भी 56 से लेके 100 तक। CPMT यूपी 1991 एमसीक्यूज़ जो इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, आपकी एग्ज़ाम में हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं। तो हम हर क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको 2 सेकंड का टाइम देंगे गेस करने के लिए। उसके बाद आप आंसर कीजिए, और वो भी लास्ट में आंसर शीट भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमाइलोसिन acts upon. Second, glucagon is secreted by pancreas. FSC is produced by antirrelol of pituitary. The respiratory center in brain is situated in medulla. Hormone fish stimulate contraction of the gallbladder is second. Next, fish of these prevent entry of food into trachea. First, number of lobes in the liver of rabbit is. Kidney of adult rabbits are the embryologically. Organ of the cauda is found in. Ocean tube connect. Is called. First juvenile larva of Ascaris. Ascaris is protects itself from effect of the digestive enzymes of the host by means of contact vacuole is present in spring oil of surface of the stagnant water is method of the malaria control because pseudopodia of amoeba are important for fish of these does not require of the intermediate host of the complete its life cycle. A chamber common to all type of canal system of sponge is water current through the body of a sponge is maintained by malignant retains malaria is called by a vector host is amoeba dysentery is caused by cryptomerozoites are product of a person with blood group O is called universal donor because it is muscles fish are immune to fatty are in human being variation is color of iris and hair of appearance for birth. Such variation are known as cation necessary for coagulation of blood or pH scale is used to measure excess of urea in blood resulted from kidney failure is called Malaria fever is caused by other toxic substance formed due to the proteolytic of hemoglobin is RBCs of man. This substance is next cavity of the various humor is hammering phenomena is called also called Cyprus of the Leibster are found in success indexes in a name given to internal air is filled with. Synthesis of urea is liver take place by. Reabsorption of water in a nephron is controlled by. Replication of DNA occurs in. Fraternal twins are born when. Reabsorbed under normal condition in the renal tubules is. Krebs cycle begins with. Which one is the purely motor nerve? Sacroloma is membranes found over. Glomeruli या nephrigian Malpighian capsules in the rabbit kidney are limited to. Failure of the blood clotting may be due to the deficiency of vitamin. Secretion of the sweat in primarily means of. DNA dictate the synthesis of. Larva frog is called. Indian scientist who gave extensive information about Pheretma pasthema and wrote the monograph upon it was. Origin of life book place in atmosphere at the time origin of life was. The book named Philosophic Zoologic was written by. Pheretma periplaneta americana differ from the Blatta orientalis is having. Pathogen of malaria is. Site of gaseous exchange in lungs in each. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक ज़रूर करें.